Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I am so confused already. Let me show you, which you probably saw it in the thumbnail. This is what my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus came in. It came in a bag. I thought they were supposed to come in boxes. So I am terribly confused. Last month, the Ultimate and the Plus were the exact same size, and now the Plus is in a bag. So confused. But let's go ahead and get started. First thing I found in here was the bag. Whoops. There's something in here? Oh. Okay, nice, typical bag, but it's cute. Go ahead and grab the first thing out of here. And we have something from Il Maquillage. They're the ones that advertise for like their foundation all the time on social media things. This is a ink liner. I bet I could go like days by just like building like the biggest wings on my eyes every single day just to use up all the black eyeliner that I have. So much. Okay, so let me see if I can find a little card in here. This may be the greatest black eyeliner there is, but the only black eyeliner that I wear, because I just cannot get a wing to look good on me, is right here. Hopefully you can see it. I don't look crazy. There is just the slightest black line right there. The only reason I do that is to make my eyelashes look fuller. That's the only time I use black eyeliner. You know how much that takes? Done. Let's see if I can find the card in here. I feel like I'm sassy. I don't want to be sassy. Okay, it says, feel the love, the warm, fuzzy feeling you get from being in love. How would I know? Feel it every day in the littlest of things, from pampering your skin with a multi-step routine to savoring your morning coffee. Every moment is an opportunity to show yourself how much you love you. Wow. What is that? Narcissism? Is that what that's called? This is not a card that tells you the prices. And that's how I feel. There is no card with prices on here, so I'll be back so I can look on my app to tell you how much these things are. Okay, so the Il Maquillage eyeliner is $21. Next, let's change attitudes. New item. Fake smile. We're good. Okay, the next thing in here is from Wonder Beauty. It is their Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in the shade Fair. Hopefully, it is fair enough for me. I chose this item. Oh, forgot to show you. I'm going to try to do a try-on of everything that comes in my boxes for MC this month, so we'll see how that goes. And, oh, this is a $40 foundation, and it is 1.01 ounces. Oh, I thought it was going to be like a pump or something. It's not. It's a Dofa. Dofa? Is that how you pronounce it? Say it. Dofa. Dofit. Dofa. Stop talking. Okay, there it is right on the back of my hand without rubbing it in so far. Let me think that will actually work out very nice for not being very many choices. This will probably work. Just get in my nose. Today I'm wearing my Bare Minerals foundation I found at TJ Maxx. Don't know if that video is up, but I will have a video, or you can go watch the video of a TJ Maxx haul type thing that I did. And I really like it. Because I'm just so shocked that I found a foundation in my color at TJ Maxx. But I did. Okay, there it is, rubbed in some more. You can totally tell that it's different than like the rest of my skin color, but on my face I think it'll be just fine. And that was $40. I think I already said that. In here is from Dr. Botanicals. I thought it was Poe. But it's It is Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleep Mask. I have a lot of sleep masks I need to use. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening. Allow the mask to sink into the skin and leave overnight. Cleanse as normal the following morning. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's filled all the way up to the top. It's not like missing something, so that's good. And this mask is only $12, but that is tiny. It is 1.01 fluid ounces. Getting an extra 1/100th of an ounce. $12. 2 more things. Oh, we have something from Murad. I really enjoy using Murad products. And this is the Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. I live in a farming community, so I don't have as much as like the pollution and stuff as people in the cities. So that's nice. Does it have a pink hint to it? So I'm looking forward to using this. I really like their like the blue labeled lotion like this. That is like acne lotion ones. I really enjoy that. It's $65. The Murad lotion. Love Murad. Okay, and the last thing in here is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is an eyeshadow palette. Do you have a name? I thought you had a name. It's a sweater. Okay, it's even like embossed or textured on the outside. This packaging is too. And this is what it looks like on the inside. We have, are they on the back? They're on the back of this. We have sweater weather, fuzzy, toasty, cuddle, chill, and messy bun. I am not good at messy buns at all. Okay. I've seen quite a few Dominique Cosmetics. I even think I've gotten something before. Don't they usually have like the DC, like, isn't that them? Or is that Dose of Colors? Dose of Colors, Dominique Cosmetics. Doesn't Dominique Cosmetics usually have like the DC like embossed in the, isn't she the Celestial Thunder? Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
I'm here.
What brand did Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette?
Okay, I found this on the web. For what brand did Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette? Check it out.
Apparently I have a stutter. It is Dominique Cosmetics. Okay, so I mean, it's cute. I don't really have a color story that looks like this. It's just, it doesn't look as fancy as some of her other stuff. But I love eyeshadow, so. And this is $29. So let's add those things up and see the value of this box bag. This box bag was $167, and this box bag is $25 a month, so that is a good value. You got, what did I say, $167. That is just pretty much this eyeliner alone. So that is a very good value. It's like you paid for the eyeliner and got a full-size foundation, a sleeping mask, a cream, and an eyeshadow palette practically for free. So great value. I'm very pleased with the box, even though it's a bag. Confused, very confused. If anybody who watches this, if you got your Ipsy Glam bag plus in a bag instead of a box, let me know. Am I the only one? I don't know. But thanks for watching this video. Keep an eye out for a try-on of all Ipsy products from this month. I probably won't do like the kind of video I did the last time where I tried on different Ipsy things from the past, because that kind of takes a long time to collect. So we'll just use things that I got. I'll wait till I'll just wait till my regular glam bag comes and do a unboxing. Nope. And do a try-on of products that I got in my Ipsy bags. So, subscribe. That'd be nice. And like the video. That'd be cool too. Because, yeah. So, thanks for watching this video. I think I've said that already, but really, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye!